Jehovah Babalama Kabumonyoriri aye aye. 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 Welcome back to another edition of Igbo in the Diaspora with Choma. So now we are going to be looking at food. I'm so excited because I'm a foodie and everything that has to do with food excites me. Okay, let's move on. Now we are going to look at food. In Igbo, food is called nri. Nri. Say it after me. Nri. Again. Nri. Good job. Next, we have rice. Rice. In Igbo, rice is called osikapa. Repeat after me. Osikapa. Good job. So the next food on our list is yam. I love, love, love yam. You can eat this yam in a variety of ways. Fried, boiled, and eaten with egg sauce, palm oil, or pottage. That's my favorite, or with a lot of vegetables. Now in Igbo, yam is called ji. Ji. Good job. Now the next food on our list is cassava. So cassava in Igbo is called akpu. Repeat after me. Akpu. Now, from this cassava, you can make a lot of food like gari, abacha, alibo. These are all the types of things you can make from cassava. Now, repeat after me. Akpu. Akpu. Nice one. The next food on our list is beans. In Igbo, it is agwa. Say it. Agwa. Again. Agwa. Good job. Now we have different soups in Igbo. But they are all called soups. And in Igbo, the name for soup in Igbo is ofe. Ofe. So we have melon soup, ofe egusi, we have ogbono soup, ofe ogbono, we have oha soup, ofe oha, we have you name it. You actually cannot because you're not Igbo, or you are, but you've forgotten. So let's take this view. Okay, so now the next thing we have is the obstacles that we can use for our food. Obstacles as in protein, like fish. In Igbo, fish is called azu. Azu. Say it. Good. Now, another obstacle is meat. In Igbo, meat is called anu. Anu. Say it. Good job. Now some people can put egg as an obstacle or protein in their food. Egg in Igbo is called aqua. Aqua. Okay, so now we are moving over to condiments or ingredients we can use to make a typical Nigerian meal. The first one is pepper. Pepper is called ose in Igbo. Say it. Ose. Good job. Now the next one is salt. Salt. In Igbo is called nnu. again. Good job. Now we have palm oil. And palm oil in Igbo is called manuri. Manuri. Good job. The next thing we have is vegetable oil, or as obtainable in Nigeria, groundnut oil. It's called manu apapa. Manu apapa. Good. Now it is not possible for anybody at all to eat without drinking water. So water in Igbo is miri. Miri. Repeat after me. Miri. Good job. We have come to the end of today's edition of Food in Igbo. Now, not that we've exhausted food, all the foods we have in the Igbo culture, but these are the most common. Now, we'll treat more only if you stay tuned. Like, share, and subscribe. Follow for more.